Okay, guys, welcome. In this short guide, I will be showing you how to install Google Classroom on your cell phone. So that's the reason I'm using a cell phone to do this. So I'm going to be showing you quickly how to install Google Classroom on your cell phone. So on your cell phone, just find your Play Store icon. Okay, just open up your Play Store. When you open up your Play Store, you search for Google Classroom. Okay, Google Classroom, and then you click on enter. You look at the green icon here. Okay, look at the green icon here. You click on this one, the green icon. Make sure it has this Google Classroom, and then you click on install. So let's wait for it to install. Um, so it's going to take some time. It's going to take some time, and it's installing, right? So it's verified by Play Protect. So it's installed. So let's open up Google Classroom. So we are opening up Google Classroom. It's telling us to get started. Okay, you can get started. Okay, you can choose an account. You can choose an account as, let me choose the second one. Okay, allow classroom to send notifications. So you can click allow. Okay, so when you are here, this is your you know your dashboard. Okay, this is like a dashboard. So you are in already. So this is it. You have successfully installed Google Classroom on your phone, and it is working right away. So once I send you the invite link to join a class, you open up your email, click on the invite link, and then you can join a class. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. I hope you understand everything I said. If you don't, shoot me a short question and in my private messages, and I will be very happy to reply. Thank you very much.